Chapter 2.2, Day 2, Slope of a line. You try problem number 4. You have given with 2 points. The first point is 1, -2 and the other one is 7, -2. You name them as x1, y1, x1, y1, x2, y2. Slope formula is y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So it's going to be -2 minus -2 because one negative from the formula and the number is also negative. So it's going to be +2. And x2 minus x1 is 7 minus 1 on the bottom. So -2 plus 2 is 0 divided by 6 is 0. So slope is 0. Number 5. The formula is y2 minus y1. So it's going to be -5 minus -3 divided by -3 minus -3. On the top, you're going to get -5 plus 2. That is -3. On the bottom, you get 0. So the answer is undefined. For number 6, you name the x1, y1 and this point as x2, y2. So 0 minus 8 on the top. On the bottom, 0 minus 0. So it's going to be -8 over 0. Anything on the bottom, if the number is 0 on the bottom, then it's called undefined. So slope is undefined. Example number 4, finding slope from a table. So on the table, we're going to name this first point as x1, y1, and the second point, we're going to name it as x2, y2. And we're going to choose the x1, y1 as 1, 8. And we're going to choose x2, y2 as 4, 6. And now we are going to use the slope formula, which is y2 minus y1, so 6 minus 8, divided by x2 minus x1, so 4 minus 1. On the top, we're going to get -2, and on the bottom, we're going to get 3. So -2 over 3 is going to be your slope for this table. You try problem number 8. You're going to choose this point as x1, y1 and this point as x2, y2 and apply the formula for slope. So we're going to apply the formula for slope, that is y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So y2 minus y1 would be 5 minus 2 on the top and 3 minus 1 on the bottom. 5 minus 2 would give you 3 and 3 minus 1 is 2. So the slope is 3 over 2. Now for number 9, x1, y1 would be -3, 6. x2, y2 is -2, 4. Slope formula would be y2 minus y1, so 4 minus 6 on the top and -2, -3 on the bottom. 4 minus 6 will give you -2. And on the bottom, you get -2 plus 3, that is -2. So the slope is -2 over 1. Next, we are going to do and discuss the summary of slopes. For the positive slope, the line rises from left to right. So this is my left corner and this is the right side. Any line that rises from the left side to the right side is called positive slope. Negative slope is the line that falls from left to right. So any line from left to right, if it falls, that is going to be a negative slope. Slope of a horizontal line. So slope 0 means that you're going to have a horizontal line. So the line is horizontal for slope to be 0. Undefined line. Undefined line is a vertical line. So this line will be a vertical line. Challenge problem number 27. You're going to apply the formula for the y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So a minus 3 divided by 5 minus 1 equals 2. So now you're going to solve for k. So multiply 4 on both sides to cancel the 4. And then 4 times 2 is 8 equals k minus 3. Add 3 on both sides, you're going to get k equals 11. So for the slope formula for 29, negative 7 minus k, 6 minus negative 4. So negative 7 minus k on the top, 10 on the bottom, and it's equal to negative 1 over 5. Multiply 10 on both sides. The 10 and 10 cancel, and 10 divided by 5 is negative 2. Add 7 on both sides. Negative k equals 5. Divide with negative 1. You're going to get k equals negative 5.